Hi guys, welcome to Design Strong. Continuing on our lead code problem solving series. Here is the fifth problem in lead code which we are going to solve here, and let's get started. So the problem is longest palindromic substring. Okay, so the problem states that given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. Okay, let's take a look at the example. If input was BABAD, output is BAB. Okay, so this is a palindrome which is longest. ABA also can be valid, but okay, but they are considering the first. Okay, BAB, that's fine. Input S is equal to CBBD, output is BB, which is fine. For SA, output is A. For SAC, output is C. Examples are pretty straightforward. Constraint is length can be up to 1000, which is fine enough. S contains only digits and English letters. Okay. So naive solution for this can be, you just iterate throughout the string once and try to see if there is a palindrome that you have observed and things like that. So what I'm going to have is I will have a for loop which will be running over the string, and then there will be a while loop which will be like taking it one at a time from left and right and doing left minus and right plus plus at the same time so as to optimize. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the solution. So first thing that I would like to do here is I would like to convert this string into a char array, because that makes it a bit easy to iterate upon. Next, I would require length of this. So length is something which I will need for iterations, etc. So let's start with iteration now. So for int I equals 0, I less than length I plus plus. Then within this loop, what I will do is I will have to iterate based on an offset which we will declare. So what I will do is create an offset equals 0, offset is less than equals 1. We'll come back to this offset, like how are we doing it. Just for now, we're going to have an offset based on this. Then what I will do is I'll initialize a value left as I, and let's say right as I plus offset. So now you understand what is offset here, right? And after this, I will have a while loop. So while left is greater than 0 and right is within n, and let's say whatever I have at left is equal to whatever I have is right. So this is the point where we are checking if it is a palindrome, because we are doing one at a time, and then here I will do, and here I will decrement left and increment right so that everything happens from both the sides. And once this once this while loop is done, I will have to increment right and decrement left once, because first time we did not get into the loop. Then we will have the length equals the difference that we have now between right and left along with 1, because we started with 0. If the current length, okay, so right now this is like for within this will work on offset. So we need to maintain what is the maximum length that we have achieved for now. So I will initialize a value max length equals 0 here, and what I will do is if length that we have is greater than max length, then let's say max length gets updated to the current length which we have seen, and I will also need to maintain left counter here. So let's say I keep max of I here, because we will have to utilize this for the next substring. So what I will do is max of I will be left. So I know from where this substring, which is a palindrome, that gets started, and for is done, and here I can return s dot substring from max I until max I plus max length. This is how I think it should work. Let's try to see. Okay, so it says variable I might not have been initialized. Okay, so it's saying index 5 out of bound for 5. Okay, why is that happening? Because okay, that's because of this. Let's see if that works. Okay. So here it is the opposite that we need to do. Now it is accepted. Test case is working fine. Let's see what happens when we submit this code. Yep, it's working fine. It is faster than the other codes. This is optimized. Okay, so this is the solution, guys, which is working fine. In case if you like the video, do not forget to press the like and subscribe button and say design strong.